All right, ladies and gentlemen, in our video here, we are going to continue our discussion on area of a circle, but we're going to take it to our next success criteria, which focused on using it in some more real-world application. And we're going to do it with a concept kind of thought of as finding the area of a specific region. It says a rectangular wall unit has an entrance cut into it, as we can see right here. You want to paint the wall to the nearest square foot. What is the area of the region that you need to paint? Well, let's think about this. If the whole blue dynamic here is our wall, we cut this kind of archway on into it. I want to paint the whole wall minus the archway that I created. So we're going to have to think about this as the area of wall minus the area of archway. So that's really what we're kind of contemplating here. And the area of a wall is a rectangle, and the area of the archway is a combination of a semicircle plus a smaller rectangle. So let's think about this. The big rectangle is a 36 by 26. So the area of a rectangle is just length times width. So I'm going to have 36 times 26 minus the area of the semicircle plus this smaller rectangle on in here. Well, remember, the area of a circle is pi r squared. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So the semicircle is going to be half of pi r squared. Well, in our circle that we have right here, the diameter is 16, so the radius is half of that at 8. So it's 1/2 of pi times 8 squared plus the rectangle that is a 16 by 16 rectangle. So plus a 16 by 16 rectangle. So let's kind of just combine some things here. 36 times 26 is 936 minus, well, 8 squared is 64, divided by 2 is 32, and 32 times roughly 3.14 for pi is 100.48 plus our 16 by 16. It ended up being really, it was a smaller rectangle, but it was kind of a square obviously in the end. So 16 squared gives us 256. And so PEMDAS says to do the parentheses first. So really what we end up seeing is that this is 936 minus 100.48 plus 256, which is 356.48. And so then in the end, my final subtraction of 936 for the whole wall, remember that was the whole wall, minus 356.48 gives us a total area. Let me change colors just to kind of show our finalizing. A total area of 579.52, but it wants it to the nearest foot. So let's back up a little bit and go ahead and call that 580 feet squared. Again, that was the whole wall minus our archway. So 580 feet squared was just our blue right on this outline.